It is a sigh of relief for 14 suspects, among them senior managers at the Kenya Power Company led by suspended boss Ken Tarus, after the anti-corruption court granted them freedom pending the determination of their case.
Each to execute a personal bond of Kenya shillings 3 million, each to be admitted to a bond of Kenya shillings 2 million with one surety of similar amount. Each is alternatively admitted to a cash bail of Kenya shillings 1 million.
In granting them bail, Anti-Corruption Chief Magistrate Douglas Ogoti ruled that no sufficient evidence was presented in court to demonstrate any likelihood that the suspects could interfere with witnesses if released. However, in order to maintain their freedom, the suspects will have to comply with stringent orders, including handing over their travel documents to the court.
Each to report to the DCI office every fortnight. Each accused is directed not to approach any of the witnesses, otherwise that shall attract cancellation of bond upon evidence by the IO. Each is restrained not to approach any of the installations of KPLC offices or any interference with the functions of the KPLC, either by use of password or by any other means.
The defense in its submissions had argued that their clients deserved bail as a constitutional right, refuting claims by the prosecution they were flight risk. The same court issued a summon for 2 directors of MUWA Trading Company who failed to appear in court on grounds that they had traveled abroad for medical treatment.
Pursuant to Section 90 of the CPC, summons are issued against accused 13 and 14 to appear before the court at the next hearing. The summons are to be extracted and executed by the IO.
The suspects also include former Kenya Power Managing Director Ben Chumba, senior managers at the power company, and 4 directors of MUWA Trading Company have denied 6 counts, including conspiracy to commit economic crimes, abuse of office, conspiracy to defeat justice, aiding commission of a felony, fraudulent acquisition of public property, and failing to comply with the procurement law. It is alleged that while in the course of employment at the Kenya Power, they aided the directors of MUWA Trading Company to fraudulently acquire public property worth 409 million shillings to supply substandard transformers. The case will proceed for a pre-trial hearing on the 6th of August this year. Ben Chumba, reporting for Channel 1 News Hour.